Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to share a photo album on iPhone. First of all, go to your settings, tap on your name, tap on iCloud, tap on Photos, and from here, make sure to turn on Shared Album. Then go to your Photos app, tap on Albums, tap on this plus icon to the top left corner of the screen. Tap on New Shared Album. Give the shared album a name. Tap on Next. Choose people to invite from your contacts or type an email address or iMessage phone number. Then tap on Create. And now open the album. Tap on plus to add photos to your album. So that's how you can share a photo album on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.